Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Venky's GK Bank. This is an excellent platform to prepare for your IAS, IPS and other competitive exams. We provide competitive questions with the latest edition. You will be given 10 seconds to choose the right answer. So without any further ado, let's get started. Question number 1. Has sworn in as the new Chief Minister of Maharashtra after the resignation of Uddhav Thackeray? A. Devendra Fadnavis, B. Eknath Shinde, C. Sunil Prabhu, D. Sharad Pawar. Your time starts now. The right answer is B. Eknath Shinde. Question number 2. Which country has developed COVAR scan rapid test that can accurately detect all current variants of SARS-CoV-2? A. USA, B. Russia, C. China, D. Israel. Your time starts now. The right answer is A. USA. Question number 3. Alfia Pathan and Geetika, who were seen in the news, are associated with which sports? A. Cricket, B. Boxing, C. Weightlifting, D. Fencing. Your time starts now. The right answer is B. Boxing. Question number 4. Ilaiyaraaja, who was recently nominated to Rajya Sabha, is an eminent personality in which field? A. Dance, B. Music, C. Sports, D. Business. Your time starts now. The right answer is B. Music. Question number 5. Environment Ministry organized the Haryali Mahotsav in which state or union territory? A. Assam, B. New Delhi, C. Rajasthan, D. Chhattisgarh. Your time starts now. The right answer is B. New Delhi. Question number 6. Who has been named as India's new Sherpa for the G20 after Piyush Goyal? A. Nirmala Sitharaman, B. Rakesh Sharma, C. Amitabh Kant, D. Parameswaran Iyer. Your time starts now. The right answer is C. Amitabh Kant. Question number 7. Home Minister Amit Shah unveiled the Statue of Peace of Swami Ramanujacharya at which city? A. Gujarat, B. Bengaluru, C. Srinagar, D. New Delhi. Your time starts now. The right answer is Srinagar. Question number 8. Akhil Bharatiya Shiksha Samagam was organized in which state or union territory? A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Arunachal Pradesh. Your time starts now. The right answer is B. Uttar Pradesh. Question number 9. As per the World's Population Prospects 2022 report, India is projected to surpass China as the world's most populous country in which year? A. 2050, B. 2023, C. 2040, D. 2025. Your time starts now. The right answer is B. 2023. Question number 10. Which Indian bank has opened India's first dedicated branch for the startups? A. HDFC Bank, B. IDFC Bank, C. ICICI Bank, D. State Bank of India. Your time starts now. The right answer is D. State Bank of India. Question number 11. India achieved a world record for construction of longest double-decker viaduct in which city? A. Nagpur, B. Chennai, C. Hyderabad, D. Mysuru. Your time starts now. The right answer is A. Nagpur. Question number 12. Prime Minister Narendra Modi unveiled the centenary memorial pillar of which state assembly recently in July 2022? A. Gujarat, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Bihar, D. Maharashtra. Your time starts now. The right answer is C. Bihar. Question number 13. Which institution has designed a mechanism to inactivate SARS-CoV-2? A. IIT Madras, B. AIMS New Delhi, C. IISc Bengaluru, D. NIV Pune. Your time starts now. The right answer is C. IISc Bengaluru. Question number 14. Bijendra Kumar Sangyal, who passed away recently, was also called as A. Father of Green Revolution, B. Father of White Revolution, C. Father of PSUs in India, D. Father of Internet in India. Your time starts now. The right answer is D. Father of Internet in India. Question number 15. Which bank was named as world's best SME bank by Euromoney? A. RBS Bank, B. IDFC Bank, C. DBS Bank, D. ICICI Bank. Your time starts now. The right answer is C. DBS Bank. Question number 16. India's first brain health clinic was inaugurated in which city? A. Chennai, B. Jodhpur, C. Pune, D. Bengaluru. Your time starts now. The right answer is D. Bengaluru. Question number 17. Which state has signed MOU with Telangana to set up all women run cooperative bank? A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Punjab, C. Karnataka, D. Rajasthan. Your time starts now. Right answer is D. Rajasthan. Question number 18. The Union Cabinet approved the merger of BSNL with which institution? A. Bharat Broadband Network Limited, B. Telecommunications Consultants India Limited, C. Mahanagar Telephone Nigam Limited, D. ITI Limited. Your time starts now. The right answer is Bharat Broadband Network Limited. Question number 19. The Indian Navy recently received two MH-60R multi-role helicopters from which country? A. Israel, B. USA, C. Japan, D. Russia. Your time starts now. The right answer is B. USA. Question number 20. Which Indian state is the first to launch breakfast scheme for students of government schools? A. Kerala, B. Punjab, C. Tamil Nadu, D. West Bengal. Your time starts now. The right answer is C. Tamil Nadu. I hope you got some insights on how to prepare for UPSC, IAS, IPS, and other civil services exams. If you like our content, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.